Hello and welcome to our new video about UPSC CMS. We will discuss important topic for UPSC CMS and previous year questions. First topic is systemic inflammatory response syndrome. In systemic inflammatory response syndrome, there is a 5 thing you have to remember. If out of 5 in patient 2 thing is present, then it is systemic inflammatory response syndrome. First is temperature. If temperature is less than 36 or more than 38, if systolic BP is more than less than 90, and respiratory more than 20, WBC count is more than 12,000 or less than 4,000. If out of 5 two things is present in patient, then it will be systemic inflammatory response syndrome. Next topic. Now we will talk about Q-SOFA score. It is most important score for UPSC CMS. Q-SOFA score include 3 things. One is alter mental status, means GCS. If GCS less than 15, then it will get 1 point. If patient have a tachypnea more than 22 respiratory rate, then it will be included in Q-SOFA. And hypotension. In hypotension, BP should be less than 100 systolic blood pressure. And out of 3, we have to calculate how much score patient have. If patient had a 0 or 1 score, then there is a no high risk. If score is 2 or 3, then high risk and poor outcome. Now we will talk about post-op complication of surgery. Now post-op complication day-wise, we should remember every day-wise complication. They can ask on which day which complication can occur. There is a 1 to 3 day after surgery. Atelectasis, lung related complication can occur. Then after 3 to 4 days, UTI. After 4 to 5 days, DVT, deep vein thrombosis. And after 7 days, surgical site infection can occur. For prevention of atelectasis, we can use incentive, spirometry, early mobilization, and antibiotic. For prevention of UTI, we can use short-term Foley use. We don't use long-term insertion of Foley catheter to avoid UTI. For prevention of DVT in post-op patient, early mobilization, heparin, and compression shocks is used. And prevent surgical site infection, regular dressing changes, pre-operative antibiotic use. So this is a 3 topic of surgery. If you like the video, then comment down. We will bring more topic, more crisp version, mnemonics, and previous year question paper. All depends on this video response. Thank you so much for watching.